Hi! Today I will show you how I prepare a matcha latte right at your home. We will need matcha powder, a scale with a bowl, another bowl, a sieve and a special bamboo spoon together with a matcha whisk, vanilla syrup, hot water, ice, and milk. First, we will leave the matcha whisk in hot water. In the meantime, we will weigh 4 grams of matcha and we will take care that no lumps remain. Then we will pour about 30 milliliters of hot water. Now comes the interesting part, creating matcha foam. I will use this whisk and mix everything carefully until the powder is incorporated. Then, with zigzag movements, I will mix until it forms like a foam. Then I will take the glass, put ice, milk, and let's not forget the vanilla syrup. I put 2 teaspoons, which we will put over the matcha, and pour. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe.